If you have a 360 or a 370 and you feel that the OMOS is performing bizarrely or things aren't quite printing right or you have elongated text, what I recommend is very simple. There's a simple calibration to recalibrate the OMOS. Only once have I had to do it, but I did do it once. And it did the OMOS evaluation again and got it right, and then everything was smooth sailing from there on out. So let me show you how that workflow goes so you at least know where it is. So if you feel that the OMOS isn't quite reading correctly, you go to Image Quality Maintenance, and then you're going to go to Substrate Advanced Calibration. And then here you have two choices. You have Print Adjustment Plot. That is the plot for the manual visual adjustment, or you just click on OMOS Calibration. When you click on OMOS Calibration right there, it will initiate the OMOS to read again, and if it got it wrong the first time, it should get it right the second time. If it still is not reading correctly, then print the adjustment plot and do it manually.